All right, guys, welcome back. This is Chad here. Today is Tuesday, February 25th, and it appears that I have fallen victim to the many problems of the Xeno 2. Uh, and I don't know why it happened, but it just happened out of the blue. It, but I uh, don't have any video signal, as you can see on my phone here. I have no video signal. Just to give you a little backstory, the last time I flew this was Sunday, February 23rd, with no problem. It was just basically it was a test flight and another test flight, and I just flew out like 2,000 meters and came back, and that was it. I packed it up, put it back in the case, brought it home, stored it, and that was it. Today, I wanted to go out and fly a little bit more. I was actually going to record a video, and for some reason, I just decided to go ahead and do all my checks at home before I go out. I just wanted to make sure there was no updates, so I wouldn't be surprised out there in the field. And also, I wanted to check and make sure everything was good on the quad, make sure everything was working properly before I took it out. And to my surprise, I powered it up and I didn't get an FPV feed. So what I immediately did was basically a quick fix to make sure the cords were connecting right here on the remote and everything. And still was no FPV feed. This happened to me one time before, and all I did was just adjust this cord here, the OTG cable, and it was just, done, it was fixed, whatever. So I didn't get any, continue not to get any signal or any feed, FPV feed. So I immediately referred back to QC Guy's video that he posted. He posted a series of videos, a series of videos on how to fix certain things here. And I referred to his video on the camera and how to fix that. So first thing I did was actually open up this panel here and check and make sure what kind of lights I was getting. And lo and behold, I was getting this flashing green and yellow light. I don't know if you can see it here, but a flashing green and yellow light, which is indication that there's a bad connection somewhere within the camera cables or something. There's no connection. So, and I can tell you, if it wasn't for his QC Guy's video, I would have never known what to do because this is taking apart these things, these quads, and figuring them out is pretty much not my thing, but it's a good learning point for me. And I'm not saying I'm glad this happened, but now I'm getting actually to be getting familiarized with this quad and how to actually take it apart and everything. So, but yeah, this is not good. Pretty much the party's over for me for a little while until I get a replacement part for this this camera. And what it is the cable ribbon or ribbon cable that that is bad. So what I did was take the camera off and make sure all the connections were secure, make sure the little needles or everything were cleaned off or wasn't obstructed with anything. And then I put it back together and started it back up. And then actually I got a FPV feed, but that didn't last long. So that's telling me that the cord is actually it is damaged or something. There's a break in the cord somewhere where I can't see it, and uh, I'm going to have to get a replacement somehow. So I'm going to have to contact Hubsan and see if they can send me another replacement ribbon, if they have those, or a whole camera altogether, because if they don't have those ribbons available now as spare parts, they will have to actually give me a whole, I guess, give me a whole camera with the ribbon, but I'm not sure how that'll turn out. Gimbal is moving, of course, and if I get a red satellite, then that's good. But nope, I'm getting a blinking red light to start off. So, and then it turned to green, and then it's blinking green and yellow. So, pretty much the same situation. Alright. But I knew that was going to happen anyway. But I just wanted to demonstrate on what I did. Alright. So I'm getting connection through the transmitter, hooking up the phone, and aircraft disconnected. It's connected, ready to fly, but no FPV feed. All right, so yeah. So I'm definitely going to contact Hubsan and see what can happen and what they can do. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully they can get it to me as soon as possible. But we'll see how that turns out. And this is going to be down for the count for a little while. So I should be able to get another video to you guys that doesn't require the video camera. So I want to give a shout out to Chris, the QC guy. He actually he was a big help with helping me figure out what's going on, and I did consult him on a few things, and he gave me some good advice and pointed me in the right direction on some things. So I want to give a shout out to the QC guy. I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know him, so go ahead and check out his channel. He has very, very, very useful content on there about the Hubsan Zino, Hubsan Zino 2, pretty much any quad that he flies. So make sure you go ahead and check out his channel. I'll leave a link to his channel just in case you guys don't know him yet. I don't know why you wouldn't, but just in case, I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. And like I mentioned, I'll be putting out one more video on this. And so make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and also the notification bell so you know that when I post the next video. I also have my Fimi X8 that I can also do some more stuff with as well, and my JJRC X12, my little budget drone that I can actually do some things on. So until next time, guys, if you do like watching Hubsan Zino 2 videos, go ahead and check out my playlist I have. I have quite a few videos on there. It'll be popping up right here on the screen in a second. And until next time, guys, peace.